Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you know when we upload a new video. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be going over driveline maintenance of your M-Series spreader. Let's get to it. Your M-Series spreader has three main driveline components: front PTO shaft, solid driveline, and a rear PTO shaft. Starting with the front PTO shaft, there are three grease points, 1, 2, 3, in the head of it, and one at the rear. This needs to be greased twice a day or approximately every 4 hours. Couple shots of grease. Keep you going. First bearing for the driveline is located right here. Now, these bearings should be greased daily. One little shot. We don't want to overdo it. The second bearing that needs greasing is located right on this front plate. So you can see right here underneath this cap. There are 5 more bearings located underneath the spreader. You can see here, here, there, and all the way down. The last 2 bearings for the driveline are right here. Grease nipple here, grease nipple here. The last component of the driveline on your M-Series spreader is this here rear PTO shaft. 3 points to grease. First one is the overrunning clutch. Then there is a U-joint right here and a U-joint right here. 2 shots every day. Keep you going strong. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms. And if you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop it in the comment section below. Take care, everyone.